Weight loss tips and tricks that lead to success. When we gain extra weight, the idea of going through the steps to lose it can be quite daunting. Weight loss has gotten a bad rap over the years, as being complicated and difficult. Losing weight is easy, if you understand some key factors that are involved in the process. Having trouble losing those last few pounds? Try increasing the amount of effort you put into your workouts or energy you put into your daily activity. Your body may have become accustomed to your daily routine and is using less calories, energy, to complete those tasks. By increasing the intensity, you're increasing the amount of energy your body is using in each activity. A great way to lose weight is to decide to participate in a triathlon. Not only will you be proud of yourself for participating in such a life-changing event, you'll be getting in shape in the process. Training for a marathon can be priceless and will instill a lot of discipline in you. If you find yourself going to the fridge when you are bored and indulging in sweet treats, write a note on the fridge that has suggestions for activities you can do, like taking a walk, drawing, or writing a poem. Cutting down on snacking when you are not hungry takes out hundreds of calories. Eating soup can help you lose weight, especially if you place it in the refrigerator to cool before eating. Most of the fat from the soup will move to the top of the bowl, allowing you to scoop it out, throw it away, and save yourself some calories before you enjoy your meal. Do not get overwhelmed by losing weight. Using these tips and studying more about how to lose weight, you can overcome and lose those extra pounds. The most important thing in weight loss is being consistent. Don't stop working on your weight loss plans, keep moving forward and you will see the weight drop off. Now that I have shown you the 3 mistakes that make gain weight, I have another free offer for you, the intermittent fasting formula. You will really love it. Are you looking for a better and faster way to lose weight and get healthy? You need to use the intermittent fasting formula. What is intermittent fasting formula? Intermittent fasting is a way of eating that focuses not on what you eat but when you eat it. Based on the ancient concept of fasting, this diet protocol can be done in several ways but with the same goals of improving overall well-being and health and achieving a healthy body weight. People often like intermittent fasting more than other types of diet because it allows them to eat the foods that they enjoy without being restricted to fat-free or low-calorie meals. Click the link below and access the intermittent fasting formula for free.